The video I'm about to share today is for both monetized and people that are not monetized on YouTube. So you posted a video as a content creator on YouTube and then you received this message, of which I'll be attaching it here. And it said, "Hi Vibe with Sonia, copyright content has been detected in your video, 0 to 4,000 watch hour in days. The visibility of this video is not compatible, but you can no longer monetize it. The copyright owner is now either monetizing it or receiving analytics about it. This is not a copyright strike and does not affect your channel." And then if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing content use, which is on my own content now. This is give me chance, be them messaging one stuff, and the rest of that, which you are already seeing here. And then when you scroll down again, you're going to be seeing what you can do. Leave the video as it is, or edit without segment, or submit a dispute to the content owner, or re-upload the video. You can also view action directly from here. Okay, so let's end this first. I have a whole lot of comments coming from my viewers whereby people decide to just delete content because of copyright music or copyright content claim. And this is to tell you that this is not a life sentence, okay, and it doesn't have any effect on your channel. The only thing it's going to do for you is, if you're monetized, you're not going to be making money from that particular content. And if you are not monetized, you are not okay. If you're not monetized, when you are monetized, you're also not going to make money from that particular content until that particular dispute is being solved between the both parties. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to remove all the copyright content that you have in your video. What I also want you to understand is copyright content is different from copyright strike. When you have copyright content, it simply means that somebody who owns the music, or who owns somebody that owns the music or any sound you use is actually claiming it, okay? And when you have copyright strike, it's either you're violating YouTube rules and regulation that can totally affect your channel, and once you have this 3 strike, your channel can be deleted from the platform of YouTube. And most of that video, in most cases when it comes to copyright strike, the videos are being taken down. In this situation of mine, I posted my own personal content because I actually did a live stream. I know what YouTube rules and regulation is, and how did I ended up getting this copyright claim on my live stream. That day I was live streaming, my baby girl was playing music with her phone, and I remember countless I'm telling her, lower your music, okay? And in one way or the other, YouTube gets to pick, my live stream gets to pick that music, which is the messaging was music. And at the end of the day, I got a copyright claim, okay? That is why I said this is not a life sentence. Now, as a YouTuber, how do you solve this? I am going to be putting you through all of that. So grab your popcorn and Coke. Let's just get right into the video.
It's my Sonia.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yeah, with no further ado, let's just get right into my screen record on how you can solve your copyright content videos. So with that being said, I'll be starting my screen record and I'll be using my phone. So if you are using your phone, go to studio.youtube.com on your Chrome, and right now I'll be heading straight into my screen record, of which you guys know that I'll be attaching it here. So this is my studio, and I have to check out the video of the one I wanted to pick. Then I have to pick out the video that have that particular issue. So once you pick out the video that have that particular issue, the first thing you need to do is to go to the copyright side, and then you're going to be seeing see details exactly the way I did. Once you're done clicking see details, the next thing you're going to do, you will see this red sign, ineligible, if you are already monetized. If you're not monetized, you're going to be seeing the place that is also affected. So you're going to be clicking on see action so that you will know the particular action that you are supposed to take. And then once you click on see action, you're going to be seeing erase song, replace song, trim out segment, or dispute. For me, I want to erase the song totally because I don't need it. So after clicking erase, I'm going to click on that confirm that you are seeing, and they're going to be saying erase song. I'm also going to highlight erase song again and then save it, so that I don't want the situation whereby I did a mistake in the first place and it's not erasing totally and I will still be having that particular dispute. You can also choose the one that you actually want to, if you want to replace the song, if in terms of vlog stuff like that, or mute the song totally, okay? So after that, I'm going to click on erase so that I will save it as well, exactly the way I am doing it here. And once I'm saving it, they will say this process might take a while. You might leave the page and check back later. We will update any viewing or monetization restriction after your changes have been processed. This video will remain in its current state until this process is done. So right now I'm off in that place, and I'm going to wait for some minutes and then come back to check if my video still have that claim or not. So this is over some hours, and I have to check back if the video is still having that issue or not. So the first thing I need to do is to log back into my Chrome, and exactly what I am doing here. Then I'm going to be clicking my studio so that I can be able to log into the studio properly. Okay, so once I log into the studio, I'll also wait for it to load, exactly what you're waiting for right now. So after being loaded like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on content. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this so that I can be able to click on content, and then I click on live because that video is on live stream. And then I'm going to scroll down to check the video, which is 0 to 4,000 watch hour in days, which is this particular video. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the video. Okay, so this is the video. Oh, I think I opened on that video. Sorry guys, let's go back and open that particular video. So 0 to 4,000 watch hour, which is this video that has that issue. And I'm going to click, and then I'm going to like minimize so that you guys can see. You can see the visibility of this video. So let's check the monetization part. You can see that right now no issue is found on the video, the following format, and you can see that the monetization button is turned green. That is to say there is no longer copyright on this particular video. So this is the simplest way that you can actually solve your copyright video or copyright music stuff on your videos. Please stop deleting your content. You don't need to delete your content. Like I've earlier said, it's not a death sentence. Okay, yes, and it's not going to have any effect on your channel. It simply means you're going against small YouTube community rules, but of which it can be sorted out. And I'm so much happy that YouTube actually make it very easy for us to be able to sort this out. Let me know in the comment section if you've been deleting your videos when you have copyright claims on your content, because I remember when I started YouTube as well, what I do is once my video have any copyright content, I just go ahead and delete it. But ever since I found out that I don't need to delete, this is what I need to do, life has been really very easy for me. But I'll also advise you, as a new YouTuber or as a growing YouTuber, if you know those particular things that you need to avoid, just avoid them once and for all. In my next video, I am going to be sharing with you where you can get different music, free copyright song music you can actually use from your YouTube studio, so that you're editing your vlogs and every other stuff that you want to actually use music will be so easy for you. Okay, thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be back, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you guys. Mwah.